another private vehicle that is on fire now. You can see the democratic protest. How violent is it turning now? You can see there. People are still pelting stones. Angry mobs pelting stones at security personnel. Stones being pelted from all sides. You can see the vehicle burning there. A city bus parked beside the road is burning on fire. These are the visuals being captured by our camera. You can see stones coming in. We have been giving you coverage. So stones everywhere, stones being pelted by protesters. You can see behind me stones being pelted from all sides. Protesters pelting stones at security personnel when they are trying to disperse them. This is the situation in Guwahati. We are reporting from ground zero. You can see a vehicle burning behind me. This is a private vehicle that was parked beside GS Road. Now it is burning on fire. Now it's burning on fire. You can see there. So you can see stones being pelted at even we are. So stones are being pelted heavily from the protesters. Stones are being pelted heavily from the protesters. Even journalists who are taking coverage of the. Even journalists are not being spared. They have to run for their life. We have to back off from this area because big stones are being pelted from the protesters. You can see angry people pelting stones. You can see the bus. You can see a private bus parked beside the road. It's burning on fire. It's burning on fire. Bus joy are tapra kori asu pathor mari asu robo bolo light off koro ami back up নহলে লাইট তো টার্গেট করব back up koro mathor ahibo murot paribo buta bolo helmet nai amar helmet nai thokale moi aramot saha korilu hoy back up. This is the situation in Guwahati GS Road near Dispur. A very fiery situation. Protesters pelting stones, burning down vehicles, damaging private vehicles. These are visuals coming in from our camera. Just after the security personnel tried to disperse them away from the spot they were demonstrating, they have resorted to stone pelting. You can see the situation in Guwahati is turning futile now. A democratic protest is turning out to be violent. Private vehicles are being damaged. A parked vehicle, a parked public bus is on fire now. Protesters have started pelting stones just after security personnel tried to disperse away from the spot they were demonstrating. Now they have started pelting stones at security personnel and even damaged the vehicle. As shown by our video journalists, you have seen the situation right now. However, I would like to inform our viewers that this protest, this demonstration has been continuing for the last 4 or 5 hours, starting at the noon. No single person who has come to the spot is willing to move back. Heavy stone pelting is being done here. Heavy stone pelting, I would like to say. We are reporting from ground zero. However, we are safeguarding ourselves from the stones that are being pelted from the protesters. This is a very grim situation in Guwahati. This is not a normal situation in Guwahati. This is the very GS Road, which is very highly traffic packed in other days. Today, this GS Road has turned to a battleground with fires everywhere. You can see the vehicle burning behind me, and this fire on my side you can see are burned by the protesters. Railing of the roads are being pulled up and put on the fire. Decorations that were being made to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe are stages that were prepared to welcome him are on fire now. This is the situation in Guwahati after this bill got introduced in Rajya Sabha. We have to wait and watch whether center and top ministers of the country will hear to the voice of Assamese people. The demands they are making about the indigeneity, protection of the indigeneity, whether it will be fulfilled, we have to wait and watch. We'll keep on reporting on whatever incidents that are that is happening in and around us. We'll keep you minute and minute update with video journalist Mukut. This is Sandeep reporting for East.
নাম্বাৰ জ্বলি গ'ল এই ব্লাষ্ট হ'ব ক'ত নাম্বাৰ ল'ব যোৱা তুমি মই গাড়ীখন য'ত জ্বলি আছোঁ তাৰ ওচৰত ৰখি আছোঁ কি 3খন 4খন জ্বলি আছে Thank you, জ্বলছে এই দেখো ট্যাঙ্কি জ্বলছে ট্যাঙ্কি ব্লাস্ট হবে ট্যাঙ্কি জ্বলছে এই এই বেটা এই ভিডিও কাটি আছে এই গায় কাই বলা যাবে না লাইট না থো হেড না
Welcome back, viewers. Right now I'm reporting from supermarket area of Guwahati. You can see 3 vehicles burned down by the protesters, on fire. One Swift Desire, another crane. There is another crane and another public bus that's burning here. I would like to inform viewers that one side of the road, a democratic protest is being carried out, while on their side there is a mob who is pelting stones on the security personnel, who is burning down vehicles, public vehicles parked beside the road. These are the vehicles that are being burned recently. I would like to show through my camera. A video journalist is showing the visuals. These are exclusive visuals. You can see this car burning. This is a democratic protest that has been carried out by the locals of Guwahati. Now it has turned violent. Vehicles burning, barricades being pulled down to the road, public vehicles being vandalized, a public bus being burned down. This situation is turning futile. Why the government is still silent? That's a very big question to this public who are demanding to scrap this contentious citizenship amendment bill, which is already tabled in Rajya Sabha, and it is under process of discussion. These are the visuals you can see. Protesters on the other side, they are still pelting stones at security personnel when they have tried to disperse away the mob. You can see the visuals here. You can see the bus burned down, a crane burned down, and another, there is a bike that is on fire now. You can see. This is a very fiery situation of Guwahati GS Road. This is a very fiery situation of Guwahati GS Road. This road is otherwise packed with traffic, a VIP zone area. protesters has come down to the road against this bill. They are demanding the bill to be scrapped. On the other side, the democratic protest is being carried out. In the other side, a mob is doing all kinds of these activities. They're burning down public vehicles parked beside the road. These angry mobs are demanding that citizenship bill should be scrapped or else will overthrow the BJP government from center. Security personnel, despite of every attempt, has failed in tackling this mob. This mob has gathered in this spot for the last 4 to 5 years, 5 hours now. It's almost 6 p.m. now, but then these protesters are denying to move away from the spot, and they have resorted to such kind of violent activities, burning down parked vehicles. These are the exclusive visuals you are getting through East Mojo. And the biggest question of the hour is that whether this bill that is creating such a violent situation in the city, across the state, will be passed through Rajya Sabha. Will the opposition be able to push this bill to a joint parliamentary committee or a standing committee is the biggest question of this hour. With video journalist Mukut, this is Sandeep reporting for East Mojo.
এখন পুরান গাড়ি